Welcome to the knowledge about a systematic and scientific pedagogy that the Montessori method. The materials are arranged for the parents and the activities provided by the children. In the environment, the directress should be well knowledgeable, lovable, evaluating, observing person. They should be the link between the environment and the children. Me, the directress, principal of the school and the chairperson of the Montessori Educational Council, I want to explain the Montessori system of education among the society. In the first area, practical life, as the name, all materials are familiarized. We should give all materials for their concentration, eye-hand coordination, finger muscle development, independent work, order, self-esteem, and day-to-day life activities from 2.5 years onwards. Now, they are doing dressing frames, polishing mirror, washing hands, and so on. Activities are going to some difficult, but child can do it very well because those are familiarized activities like washing hands, cutting carrot, making juice, then social grace and courtesy, forgetting the self-image and interaction manners. Seniors lead juniors for the activity, so the practical life area is the cornerstone in the prepared environment. Then, sensorial materials are solid items for empowered child's 5 senses like visual, tactile, auditory, gustatory, olfactory training, and the early geometrical activities like presentation tray, geometrical solids, all triangular boxes, binomial and trinomial cubes. The sensorial area prepares to the mathematics, language, later cultural subjects. That means all areas are interconnected together. In the language area, there is the phonetic approach for the proper reading with good pronunciation, and they are going through 3 schemes: pink, blue, green. Pink schemes means 3-lettered phonetic sounded words. Blue represents 2-letter combination makes other sound than makes words. Next, green scheme. It indicates phonograms. 2 or more letter combinations makes utterly different sounds than make words and sentences. They can understand how to make sentences using with phonetic and non-phonetic form objects, then get the idea about noun, adjective, article, verb and adverb, singular and plural concept. At last, they can read everything. In this way, Malayalam, Arabic, Hindi provides the language experiences. In the mathematical area, the materials are moving simple to more complex and concrete to the abstract. From the numeric, they are moving through place values, concrete way of all problems like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then gets the abstract ability. Cultural area, the Montessori environment gives a vast knowledge like the cosmic approach of the study. There are many subjects: zoology, botany, geography, and history according to the age limit. The Montessori curriculum provides a better life education through different areas and the materials with a good directress. The environment should be provide maximum freedom to unfold their potentialities and creative thinking through the practicalization method.
Brainy Kids Montessori School, Puvathikandi, Arikode.
Phone 9645 275 622
8943 501 732.